Bharatiya Kisan Parishad, the farmers' organization that will begin a march today, this morning, they will be marching towards Delhi in order to demand, their demand is compensation and benefits under the new agricultural laws. That is what these farmers are asking for. So the Haryana Agriculture Minister has slammed this march to Noida, from Noida to Delhi, arguing that they lack legitimate issues. Now, the Gautam Budh Nagar Traffic Police has gone ahead and issued an advisory. There are alternate routes that they are, asking people to take instead, so that there's because there will be heavy barricading as far as the border is concerned between Delhi and Noida, warning of potential congestion on those key routes. Commuters have been asked to take alternative routes instead, and in fact they've been asked to use the metro in order to avoid delays. We have Atul Ranjan joining us from the Mahamaya flyover in Noida. Atul, take us through the kind of challenges that the commuters are facing this morning in regard to this Chalo march that we're talking about, this march that's taking place with the farmers there demanding compensation and benefits under the new agricultural laws. Take us through their demands and what is it that the BKP wants?
Well, first of all, definitely traffic has slowed down at the moment when I'm standing here right beneath the Mahamaya flyover. And remember, this is a working day. Like after 2 days of weekend, you have a working day today, Monday, and people are of course commuting to their workplace. And so that is quite visible right now at the Noida to Noida Expressway. And people, and obviously different checkpoints have been established at the different Noida Delhi border, and that is quite seen in the in the traffic. If I talk about the demands, then obviously farmers are all set to reach the Mahamaya flyover to this afternoon at 12, and the demands obviously include that the farmers should be compensated more. The complaint is regarding the compensation amount that they received from Greater Noida Authority and Yamuna Authority when their land acquisition was done. Their demands include that those farmers who had to sell their land forcefully, before the new land acquisition law came into force, they should be compensated more. They should be given 10% of the the plots in these authorities to their name, and obviously 64.7% more compensation. And those land that were bought post 2014, they should be given prices 4 times more compared to the market rate, and 20% of the land given that from the 20% of the land that were sold by the farmers from these residential plots. So that is what the demand is. And of course, Allahabad High Court in 2010 uphold the farmers' demand, and then in 2015 Supreme Court as well uphold the demands of the farmers. But Greater Noida Authority and Yamuna Authority has so far failed to fulfill the the orders of the court, and that is what has led to sustained protests from farmers. And let me remind you that this is the third and final phase, as what the farmers are telling of the protest. In the first phase, thousands of farmers were organized the sit on near the Greater Noida Authority building, and then thereafter they shifted on 28th of November. They shifted to Yamuna Authority's building, and now today on the 2nd of December they have planned to somehow Ghirao Parliament in Delhi, and so for that they are all set to come and get organized here at the Mahamaya flyover in Noida.
Right, which was on our screen showing how bad it is this morning for commuters taking that route between Delhi and Noida. Thank you so much, Atul Ranjan. We will keep coming back to you for more on the traffic situation and the demands of the farmers there.